Alright. So, one of the most awkward or hindi man hated, compliment you can give a professional musician is to tell them they're talented. So, pag sinabi mo kasing gano'n, di ba? Oh, yung galing-galing mo naman. Siguro napaka-talented mo, ganyan, di ba? So, kasi, when we say a musician is talented, parang it feels to them na you're disregarding the struggles that they went through. Kasi when we say talented yung isang tao, it's a God-given, no? Na yung skill na yon. But most of the musicians, no, na nakikita natin, put in a lot of work talaga. Endless amounts, no. Walang bayad ang overtime pag musician ka kasi yung practice mo, 'di ba? Yung iba nagpo-practice buong araw just to get the skill that they want or to improve on themselves, 'di ba? So, pag sinabihan mo na talented ka, parang mapapansin nyo yun. Ewan ko kung napapansin nyo. But a lot of people are like awkward smiles, ganyan. Pero in the back of their minds, parang talent lang ba to? Ganun yung tumatakbo, no? So, na-experience ko na din yan, no? Pero syempre, of course, some people don't understand it. Now, I think it's a good time to talk about yan, talent and skill. So, they can go hand in hand, no? Kasi meron talagang people, hindi natin maikakaila na merong mas talented. Merong mga tao na born with it, 'di ba? Musical minds, ika nga. Now, when we talk about talent kasi, it's an advantage that you would have. Now, sabi nga nila, talent finishes and skill improves on it. So, let's say bata ka, no? Usong-uso sa mga bata. Yung bata super talented 'yan. Sa bata makikita mo 'yan eh. Mabilis siyang pumikap sa skills, mabilis siyang pumikap sa mga pinapagawa. So, mabilis niya na perform. Now, as you grow older, 'di ba? Syempre, hindi mo na pwedeng daanin sa talent na lang. Minsan, yung mga talented na bata, doon na pumapasok yung, kayang-kaya ko yan eh. So, hindi naman sila magpa-practice. Hindi na sila maggagawa ng paraan para gumaling pa. Kasi para sa kanila magaling na sila. Doon na nangyayari yung trap na yun. Yung talent trap. Kaya parang if they grow old and then they pursue a career in music, parang nababurnout na sila or hindi na sila tumutuloy talaga. Kasi nga, nahihirapan na sila. Kasi hindi nila na-reinforce yung talent with skills. No? Hindi nila nakuha ng sipag, hindi nila nalagyan ng sipag. So, they're limited by their talents. Yes, they have already a threshold na medyo mas mataas sa normal person, but someone who's not as talented as them can outwork them. Okay? So, dito na pumapasok yung skills, yung skill building. No? So, kahit na hindi ka ganun ka-talented, kung porsigido ka, you persevere, you're ready to take on any challenge, no? You put your head down and you go to work. Kaya mo pa ring maging kasing galing nila or even mas magaling pa. So, everyone has the chance to become a good musician. No? It's not about dahil, siya kasi, talented siya. Siya, perfect pitch siya, ganyan. Diba? May mga ganun minsan. Pero if you don't look at it that way, look at it as, siya, nandun na siya sa level na yon. Ako, nasa level na ako na ganito. Diba? Na, mas mataas siya sa akin ngayon pero kaya ko magtrabaho, hopefully, para maging aligned ako sa kanya or mas surpass ko pa yung skills na meron siya. And, it's always about a competition between you and yourself. Diba? You always strive to be a better version of you when you were before. No? So, yun lang naman yun. So, it doesn't matter kung talented or skilled ka. Basta, sabi nga nila, daig ng masipag ang magaling. Tama ba? Anyway, basta yun. So, talent finishes. Nauubos yan. Or nakakarating yan sa top niya. Or nalilimit yan. Hanggang dun lang yun. You have to support it with proper discipline and skill building. So, kahit hindi ka talented ngayon, kung you're willing to put in the work, makakarating ka din dun sa point na yan. Magagawa mo rin yung kayang gawin ng mga mas magaling pa sa'yo ngayon. Diba? But that life is not a competition. It's more of a self, parang it's about you, no? Kung ano yung kaya mong ibigay sa sarili mo pa. No, you don't have to have everything figured out, especially in this musical journey, no? Mahirap talaga siya. Pero slowly but surely, you'll get what you need if you give it the time and effort that you need para gumaling ka. Okay? So kung hindi ka man ganun ka-talented, okay lang yan. Marami pa ring opportunities and you can still learn, no? Skills are more important than when you say talent. So sana pag may nakita kayong musicians, sabihin nyo lang magaling sila o sabihin talented sila. Okay, yun lang. So good luck sa inyo.